Why did we create a clean, sustainable and bespoke Reed Diffuser? You know, in France, we love to receive our friends at home, to organize big dinner, and the scent of your home is very important. And I always feel frustrated not being able to find a scent that really fits who I am, what kind of mood I want to express, and it could be different from a room to another one. You know, in a bathroom I want something really fresh and clean. In my living room I want something elegant, a bit more outstanding. In my bedroom I want something warm, relaxing, aphrodisiac sometimes. So when you go to buy home scent, they are already made. Most of the scents are quite chemical, déjà vu, you know, you have fig everywhere, like the fresh citrus scent, very superficial, artificial. So I really feel frustrated, and I wanted to empower people like me to be able to design their scent, the scent of their dream for their home. So it's why I created this bespoke, sustainable Reed Diffuser. So now you are empowered to create your own scent for your Reed Diffuser. How you do it? So you come to our boutique and you get advice and you smell and you do it with our scent designer, or you go online, very simple, any time of the night, and you're gonna choose your 2 favorite scents to design the scent of your dream for your home. So you go on the landing page of Maison, you select shop and you go through the bespoke home scent category and you select tailor-made Reed Diffuser. So it's a premiere. Now you can choose the scent of your Reed Diffuser, no ready-made at Maison. It's a bespoke word. So you land on a page where we're gonna ask you to select 2 scents. So very easy. You open the window where you can organize also the 15 scents available in Reed Diffuser by family, by popularity, by mood, or by top, hard, bottom note. So let's have a look. So I want something fresh and clean for my bathroom, so I'm going to select lavender. And here you have a window opening that gives you all the evolution of your scent, the description. You have a little movie to explain you the mood of lavender. And if I decide I don't like it, I can select orange blossom, and you see the windows is updated with the profile of orange blossom. So it's really nice to take time to read and have all the information to choose your scent. So I go with my lavender, I apply, and then you see lavender is my first scent selected. Then I go for my second scent, same principle. I'm gonna go for the pear. I think pear lavender is really nice, green, aromatic. So you can see my scent characteristic. I'm gonna have a combo which is fresh, aromatic, fruity green. It's well balanced. So you have all the information of your mix, and then you have the description of the products that come in a beautiful box where you will have your 2 oil, the decorative holder, and your stick, of course, and your 100% biodegradable base. It's made with OGL. So beautiful product. We have a little video that explains you how to make your bespoke Reed Diffuser, because this is so new. And then we have, if you still hesitate on which scent to put in your Reed Diffuser, we have some ready made bespoke Reed Diffuser where we recommend you, for instance, rose and vetiver to be elegant and luxurious. If you want something fresh and clean, the best recommendation of Maison is bergamot sage. And if you want to have something to relax and distress you, you have histoire d'ailleurs, which is a beautiful mix of Maison, and you can put straight in your cart here. And we also give you all the answer to your frequently asked questions, the return and shipping condition, why we are clean and sustainable company, and also how to create your bespoke Reed Diffuser. So you're going to receive your beautiful bespoke sustainable Reed Diffuser at home in a gift box. So you have many pieces inside because it's a DIY Reed Diffuser. So first you have your base, your Reed Diffuser base, made with OGL, 100% biodegradable, super safe for the whole family. You have the 2 essences you have chosen. So for me, the bergamot and the vetiver. You have your stick. about 10, and you have a beautiful holder to decorate your reed at the end, and then you have a little leaflet that explains you everything that I'm going to explain today. So the first step is to open your base. As you see, it's already filled with 170 grams, and you have 30 grams of pure oil to infuse. So super simple. You open the box, so you have your bergamot first. So you can start to drop slowly. As you can see, it smells beautiful. Or if you are a bit in a hurry, like me, so you just pour the whole essence like that. And then you can already smell. So super easy. Huh? And then you take your second scent, the Vetiver. For, you see, it's a bit stronger. And same, and if you want to have more bergamot than Vetiver, you can really adjust. Huh? You can put half of the Vetiver, and if one evening you want to be woody, then you finish the whole essence. So when you finish to pour your oil, you put your beautiful holder to decorate and make it very elegant. And then you're going to take your stick and fuse them. Shake a bit, you know, because the oil needs to infuse. And then after 1 or 2 minutes, you're going to flip your stick. It's very important they get humidified all along, because this is through the stick that the scent is going to evaporate and diffuse in your room. So don't hesitate, even every day, flip them, never let them dry. At least every 2-3 days, flip the scent, and it will reboost the scent of your Reed Diffuser. And after, you can bring it anywhere, in your living room, your entrance, your bathroom, and you can do as many scents as you want, because at Maison, you are empowered to create your own scent.